Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change your engine air filter on an 11th generation Civic with the 2.0 liter engine. So it's the LX models and the sports models. So we're going to start out by opening up our hood, and then just take your hand underneath the hood and slide your hand around the middle here from the passenger side to the driver's side, and you'll feel a lever down here, and take that lever, push it all the way towards the driver's side of the vehicle, and then pick up on your hood. And then here, right next to the battery, is our air box, and inside here is our air filter that we need to change out. And to open this up, we just need to flip these two clips here down by just grabbing hold of the top and flipping them down. Same with this one. And then just want to grab a hold of the air box, and then we're going to pull it kind of towards us and up. And when you pull it towards you, it unhinges those tabs here that are right there. And so we're just going to kind of hold this up out of the way with one hand, and with the other, we're going to grab our air filter and pull it out. The top is going to be clean, and the bottom is going to be dirty. The air is flowing through the bottom, up through the bottom and through the top here. And so this gets all the grime out before it goes into the engine. As you can see, this one's pretty bad. And we are going to replace it with a K&N filter. This one I just got off Amazon. I like these because you buy it once and that's all you need to do. You can, instead of replacing it, you can just wash it out and reuse it. As where these ones, you have to replace them every so often over the life of the car. This one, you just wash it out and just keep reusing it. But you can use whatever you want. I just prefer these K&Ns. I'll put a link in the description below of where I got this one. And so take it out of the wrapper, and you want to take it and place it back in to the air box. And then we're going to put the cover back on, and we need to make sure that we get these alignment tabs here, and we need to get those in first. So we're going to take it and we're going to guide those in and check and make sure those are in place. And then once they are, you're going to press down on the top and make sure these clips are going to align. And when they do, just go ahead and flip them up to lock them in place. And that's it, guys. That's how you change your air filter. Thanks for watching.